In the world of Kokborok, even a simple word can carry a story. And today, that story is about the word, book. Bengali, boy. In Kokborok, this single idea appears in two striking forms, Büchap and Bijap. Alongside them stand the literary words Lysi and Larik, recorded and preserved by Mr. Binoy Debbarma in his Kokborok English to Kokborok to Bengali Dictionary, page number 65. And in the Borough language, the same ancient root surfaces as Bijap. But here's the secret, the root of Bijap is none other than Büchap. So why do these words look different, if their meaning never changed? Because the difference is not in meaning, it is hidden in the shifting sounds of speech. In the natural dance of language over time, two powerful phonological changes shape the word. W to I, vocalization, where a semi-vowel transforms into a full, resonant vowel. Cho to J, palatalization, where a hard, voiceless sound softens, becomes voiced, becomes alive. In linguistics, we call these phonological alternations. So remember this, Büchap and Bijap are not rivals. They are two voices of the same ancient Kokborok word for book.